Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to this Pepe video update. So yesterday's I by far got the most viewed Pepe update, and it was the most liked by so many people and got so many messages for the coin that I'm telling that can actually give you profit on Twitter. So if you don't know, message me on Twitter. And just in case you never find this channel again lost in your feeds, make sure you just follow it and turn on notifications so that I can actually pop up in your feeds and give you some good updates that actually mean something, because this is like the 7th, 8th video, and all the video in the past have been 10 out of 10. And by the way, people have been asking, how do you do this, and how can we learn how you're predicting all of this stuff? So I do have a technical analysis course which I've teach you all the stuff that I know for 6 years. And message me on Twitter. If you pay with USDT with crypto, I'm going to give you a discount as well. It's 250 USDT, but you don't have to pay all of that. If you're using crypto, you're going to get a discount. I just need, if someone is serious about it, let me know. So Pepe, this is yesterday's video, and let's talk about it. Basically, you're looking for maybe perhaps an A right over there, then a B, and then a C like this, and maybe go down. But there's right. So that was an ABC correction because of the following scenario. So what I was telling you, you're going to have distribution level. You got this first move to the downside, the second move to the upside, the third one here, the fourth one, and the fifth one right over there. Now, when you do this, you end up going with an ABC correction. So you're basically looking for maybe perhaps an A right over there, then a B, and then a C like this, and maybe go down. Right, so ABC correction. And let's go back into the charts. And currently, this is what is Pepe doing right now. So we got like nearly 64% more for Pepe since we met the technical target. I actually gave you this technical target, and we started to move up. So there was another scenario that I was talking about. If for any reason you go down like this, you move up like that, and you break down, then that could have been the right shoulder. But right now, today, the story is actually different, and I'm going to tell you something here. So what I'm going to do is dive into the 1 hour time frame as well, and let's talk about the 1 hour time frame here. Actually, before the 1 hour time frame, I do want to go to the 4 hour time frame and bring in the EMAs. So we are making a bearish cross here previously, but now you're above the EMAs once again, and this is the following thing that I do still see for Pepe, and that is we're potentially looking to pump a little bit higher. So basically, number one is let's try to see if we can figure out anything on the fib retracements as well. So I'm going to take the fib bottom here to the top, and let's see how far you're looking to go. Right now, you're kind of stuck in here near the 0.5 level, so I'm just going to extend the fib retracements there, and you're sitting at the 0.5, and you're potentially looking to get above it and come up to 23,000 eventually if everything goes okay. So the fib actually does show that the 0.5 19,000 is going to be a little bit of a level that is of a resistance, but I still think we can actually cross it. And the reason is because the 1 hour time frame has a different scenario. So it potentially looks like you made a continuation pattern here, and you're making a 3 white soldiers continuation right there. So you have this, and you're potentially looking to break and continue. So if you do that, we are going to do something like from there to there, and we're making a move from here to here, and we're potentially looking for a technical target again to 24,000. And 24,000, that's actually going to be nearly a price level, a 20% move up. Okay, now keep in mind that if you don't end up coming up here and you somehow, I don't know, if sell-off happens, a whale starts to manipulate the prices, then you want to keep a stop loss down here near, which is going to be 15,000. So you don't want to lose 15,000. Don't come to 15,000. And I think you're actually good to go to this price level here at 24,000. You're actually on that technical journey. Now, I'm not really sure if you're going to come up here and continue even higher. Keep in mind there's a big resistance right over here, 24,000 on the fibs as well. So that's something that you're going to have to see. But equally, I think there's another trend line going on in here, and I'm just going to drop it somewhere right over there. Okay, so actually, that's going to be a little bit tough to say if you're going to go up here, because you got a one touch there, second touch here, third touch there. It could even be that you just come and touch this line again and get rejected. So yeah, that's a little bit tough to say, but it could even be that you make a wick up there and then come down like this. So be very, very careful. There is a target actually coming up here. If you try to break above this line as well, I do see it coming up here, but I don't know if it's going to be a wick like this and then come down and close below this huge resistance. Otherwise, if you end up coming up like this, break it out, come down for the retest, hold the retest, then you've got a bigger target, by the way, and that's going to be from I'm going to tell you, from there to there. We might be looking for Pepe to continue all the way up to from there to there. If you actually break it, then we're talking about going back here to 39,000, and that's going to be a very, very big, massive move up from there to there. If this is an entry level, we got an 88% scenario to go to the upside, almost nearly a 2x from this current prices right now. But keep in mind, again, this is trading, and all I'm saying is that if you're breaking support and you hold if you're breaking resistance and hold support, then you go up there. I'm not saying like, yeah, we're going up there just yet. It's all about step by step, right? So you go through one staircase, move to another staircase, and move to another staircase. So that's it for this update. Come on Twitter, the one who want to learn from me, tell me, the one who want the free coin that I'm telling that I think can actually go up. Just message me, I'm going to tell you for free. And that's it for this update, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.